Hello! I made this chicken mixture out of chicken leg and a bunch of seasoning. It's like Play-Doh and it's absolutely delicious. You can make it to patty, meatballs, or you can try I always have my phone falling down. Hold on. Also try put that on a skewer. Let's start. Take a spoon, of course, roll it around. Boom! You got a meatball. Then roll to the ball. Boom! That's a chicken patty. Okay, so free shape. We get skewered, ball, and patty. Wait, it's amazing. And here's how to prepare the mixture. So the plan is add a bit of everything. Sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, onion groundnut, a bit of breadcrumbs, chicken powder, cheese, some last parsley, obviously. I was silly when I minced the chicken. I was like, hey, after it minced, I'm gonna take out and then do my cooking as usual, like show you what I'm gonna mix inside. I can just directly put everything in the mixer. Yay! Hallelujah! Guessing it is ready. I'm gonna test fry this one later on. Taste test this and we can change the mixture. Let's taste test. No. Wait, it's amazing. Don't forget to subscribe me and I will see you all next time. Bye now.